Hey guys, so let's look at a program to check whether the character entered by the user is an alphabet, a digit or a special character. Now, if a user enters an input for a character in a variable ch, the value of ch should be lying between a and z, and also it should be lying between capital A and capital Z to be called an alphabet. Now, if it has to be called a digit, so this will become alphabet. If it has to be called a digit, the ch value should be lying in between 0 and 9. Yes, it is not 0 to 9 just like that. It's 0 to 9 with single inverted commas because we have to check for characters. So this is digit. And everything else will belong to the special character category. So when you are going to compare the value of ch with another specified value, you will be comparing something known as the ASCII value. So what is an ASCII value is every key on your keyboard, every character in the data, in every character that is already specified inside the C standard library has gotten a value associated with it. So these values help identify in the order in which the characters lie. So if the characters lie between 65 and 90, you know it belongs to the uppercase alphabet category. If it lies between 97 and 122, it belongs to the lowercase alphabet category. So every character that is valid has got an ASCII value or a numerical value associated with it. So we will be using this particular ASCII value to judge if our character entered is an alphabet, a digit or a special character. Now you can go ahead with the normal else if ladder itself. So you have an input for the variable ch. You can start by checking that if ch is greater than equal to a, at the same time it should also be less than or equal to small z. Now these both conditions can be satisfied, or the other condition that it should be greater than equal to capital A and it should be smaller than or equal to capital Z. So this condition should also be satisfied. Now the total bracket, meaning either this condition should be true or this condition should be true. If any of these, both these conditions are true, the entire condition will be true because both of them are joined by a or logical or operator. In between I've used a logical and operator because it should be lying in between these two characters of small a and small z and capital A and capital Z independently. Then you can call it a character. So if these both satisfied, you can go ahead and print that it is an alphabet. Now else if the condition is ch should be greater than equal to 0 as a character and it should be less than or equal to 9 as a character. So these both should be enclosed together and the entire thing should be put together. So this will mean that it is lying in between 0 to 9 as characters, any one of that. So it will be definitely known as a digit. The character will be a digit, and any other character which is not being detected as alphabet or digit will obviously be a special character. It can be anything. It can be a space, it can be a hash, a hyphen, and an underscore, it can be ampersand sign, anything. Any character that is there inside your keyboard will belong to the special character, ones that are not alphabets and digits. So this is the logic to identify whether it is a character is an alphabet, digit or special character. Please take note of this part where you are combining the conditions together to see how to combine the conditions together. Where do you use a logical AND operator? Where do you use a logical OR operator? Now let's see this in the code. So I'm going to start off with declaring a character ch and asking my user to enter a character scanf %c ampersand ch. There is no need to leave a space before the scanf in this case because it's just the first scanf character statement. The problems usually occur in second or third scanf for characters because then the symbol that is entered before causes a trouble. When you have just the first character which is scanf, it's good to go. Now go ahead and declare your condition where ch should be greater than or equal to small a and ch should be less than or equal to small z. Now the whole thing or ch should be greater than or equal to capital A and ch should be less than or equal to capital Z. This should be inside brackets and the whole thing should also be inside brackets. Now if this is true, you can go ahead and printf that or you can always write an extra statement here, printf /n the entered character, the character entered is, and leave a space and just print here alphabet and alphabet, or you can write else if ch was greater than equal to 0 and ch is less than or equal to 9, and then you can printf a digit and else printf a special character. Okay, so once you've finished that, you can go ahead and execute. Enter a character. Let's say I'll enter something in the small letter category. It prints the entered character is an alphabet. Next, you can go ahead and enter capital letter and it prints character entered is an alphabet. Go ahead and print a digit and it will print that the character entered is a digit. Now you can print for any other special character like hash and it will say this character entered is a special character. So here we have worked out a program using ASCII values. Thank you.